The information technology industry, often known as IT for short, isn't just about cybersecurity or keeping your business's computer network functioning.
Local students learn it's a wide open career path and a vital part of the production process for things made in the state line.
Whether it be coding or setting preferences or designing. And so IT has kind of creeped its way into all different avenues.
That's why organizers say an event like this one is so important. It's Rock Valley College's third annual Tech Expo. Students benefit because it gives them an idea on career options and puts them in touch with potential employers. Companies get to connect with and learn about those students who could someday work for them.
Making a connection, it shows who you are, and also it gives you the capability of sharing what skills you have to offer.
Russell Dulaney owns Dulaney Drafting and Design.
All that you're doing is you're just kind of like putting this tube on here to guide the filament in there.
His business focuses on 3D printing. We've showcased that technology in past Made in the State Line segments at 425 Manufacturing, Superior Joining Technologies, and Eiger Lab. Russell says it's a challenge finding people with the right skills.
It's a very big struggle, actually. I mean, it is hard to find somebody who is good at 3D design, understanding the different manufacturing principles. 3D printing, there's many different factors involved in that, a lot of things that you would have to understand. So having the different skill sets, yes, it could be a challenge finding somebody that has all of that.
RVC's Computer and Information Systems Department wants students to know there are opportunities for IT professionals in non-typical industries like truck driving.
Not only those that drive the vehicle need to be aware of some of the technical skills needed, but we're going to need even more programmers to program those devices. Autonomous driving is one, manufacturing with robotics is one. By 2034, I believe it's something like 64% of jobs currently in today is going to be automated with robotics and coding. And so those type of skills are going to be needed.
I would say we're on the cutting edge of technology.
Employment organizations were also part of the expo to help students with things like resume building, networking, and internships.